Wayne, Old Forge Motorcars. Just a little sneak peek. 65 Cobra. Knockoffs. Le Mans blue, white stripe. Beautiful piece here. This is just a little sneak peek until we can get our videographer in here and do our normal routine. We do not know, or do not have any confirmation on the actual body. The tag says AC cars, but that is not correct. The VIN number stamped on there does match the title. There you go. We'll get the normal video done soon. Stay tuned. OldForgeMotorcars.com 215-631-1776.